Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are gonna talk about common elements. This problem states that given three arrays sorted in increasing order, find the elements that are common in all three arrays. So basically it is stating that you are given three arrays which are basically sorted and you have to find the common elements out of those three sorted arrays. In order to solve this question, you need to watch my another video, that is unions and intersection. You can find the link above or in the comments below. There I have also explained how you can find common elements of two sorted arrays. This is an extension of that question. You have to find common elements of three sorted arrays. You can use the same approach. You can first find the common elements of both of these arrays, and after that you need to find the common elements between this common new array and this third array. So you will have the last answer, that is your common elements. That is the answer that you required, right? This will require two loops basically. First for the finding the common elements between A and B, and then finding common elements between the common elements and C. We can also enhance that method to actually find the common elements in these three arrays. Let's take an example to enhance the method. We will write all the answers here. Now, we will take 3 pointers instead of 2 and check if those values are equal. These values are not equal. So, what we will be doing is, we will be increasing the pointer where the value is lowest. And we can see for array A, the pointer value is the lowest. So, we will be increasing the pointer. After increase, we see that none of the values match. So we will be increasing the lowest value pointer, that is at C. Now we see the same thing and we increase the pointer. Now we see that it is also the same. So we will be increasing the pointer number A. Now we see none of them are equal. So we will be increasing the pointer number B. Now we see none of them are same. So we increase the pointer number B again. None of them are equal, increasing pointer number A. None of them are equal, increasing pointer number C. All of them are equal. That means this is an answer, that is a common element. So we include that in the array and then go ahead. We will be skipping all the duplicate values. So there are no duplicate values. Go to the next value. There are no duplicate value. Go to the next value. There are no duplicate value. Go to the next value. Now we see none of them are equal. Increasing the lowest one, none of them are equal. So we will be increasing again. None of them are equal. We will increase again. Now all of those are equal. So our array will contain 80. As we increase now, we see that we are out of bounds. And as we go out of bounds, that means that we will not be finding any common elements now. So whatever is in the result or answer, we will be returning that. I hope the approach is clear. Let's see the code now. So for solving this problem, common elements, we are given array A, B and C with corresponding sizes, and we have to return array list. So we have created an array list with the name res, which will be holding a result, and also we have created three pointers ijk, which will be starting from 0, and three more variables that are prev1, prev2, prev3, which will hold our previous values so that we can skip duplicate elements in corresponding arrays. We have assigned this prev1, prev2 and prev3 to integers minimum value for the starting. Now all the initialization is done. Let's move ahead to the loop. For the loop condition, we have used I is less than n1, j is less than n2 and k is less than n3. Why we have done this? Because if those conditions are not met, we know that array is out of bound, and if one array is out of bound, then we know that we cannot find any common elements now. That's why this condition. Now moving on, we are first finding out if we have some duplicate elements or not. If there are no duplicate elements, then we can move ahead. If there are some duplicate elements, we will be skipping those here. The condition is simple. If I is less than n1 and prev1 is equal to array of I, meaning previous value is equal to array of I. That means that element is duplicate and we need to increase the pointer I. We are checking this because if we have found one duplicate element and we have increased the pointer, that means that pointer can go out of bounds. Then we need to check if that pointer is out of bounds or not. That's why we are also checking if the pointers are out of bound or not. Same condition is applied to B and C. And now we are also gonna check while doing these conditions if we have some out of bounds condition as well. If there are none, then we will go into the condition, otherwise we will skip this process. So we will be checking A of I is equal to B of j and B of j is equal to C of k. That means all three elements are equal or not. If those are equal, then we will be assigning that to the results. Also, we will be changing the previous values as we will be going ahead and increasing those pointers as well. If that is not the case, then we will check if array of I is less than B of j. If that is the case, then we need to update the value of prev1 as we need to increase the pointer. So we will be storing the value of AI in previous one and increasing the pointer. This same process will go where we are checking bj is less than ck and assign previous 2 to bj and increase pointer j. Otherwise, we will be assigning prev3 to c of k and increasing pointer k. When this loop completes, we will have our answer and we need to return this rest at last. Let's check if this code is correct or not by compiling and run. As you can see, the code is correct. Now let's submit this code and check if all those test cases passes or not. All the test cases pass. This means our solution is correct. The total time complexity of this algorithm is big of n as we are only traversing the array once. If you guys have any question, please let me in the comments below. If you are new, subscribe to the channel and share this video as much as possible so others can take advantage of it. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Let's meet in the next video.